Alright, so this is a video on how to draw trend lines in Forex. They're really useful for everything. I use them for everything. They're really powerful if you use them the right way. Alright, so let's start on the weekly time frame. Alright, so how do we draw trend lines? There's two different trend lines. There's an uptrend trend line, and then there's a downtrend trend line. So let's draw an uptrend trend line. Downtrend trend line. Boom. Downtrend trend line. Respected here, respected here, respected here, respected here, kind of respected here. It just didn't touch the trend line. So, boom. That's a downtrend trend line. Alright, let's do an uptrend trend line. Wick to wick. Boom. Uptrend trend line, respected here, kind of respected here, respected here. Let's do a daily time frame trend line. Alright, so let's do a trend line on this daily time frame structure. Trend line, respected here. Respected here. So one thing you have to factor in when drawing trend lines is there is some it's a little bit subjective based on how you draw it. So you have to make sure you practice, and because everybody draws trend lines a little differently based on what their goal is and how they're looking at the price structure. So you want to make sure that you practice until you're comfortable to a point where it's second nature on how you want to draw the trend lines. But as you can see right here, respected here, respected here, respected here, broke the trend line here. So whether you want to draw it like this or draw it like this, it's up to you. Uptrend trend line, you got a trend line here. Boom, wick to wick. Respected, respected. Boom. Alright, let's go one more time frame. 4 hour time frame. Trend line on this structure. Bottom wick to top wick. Or if you wanted to, you could draw it like this. Bottom wick to top wick. Respected here, respected here, respected here. It's an uptrend trend line. Alright. Alright, so let's do a slightly different one. Let's do a downtrend trend line. Respected here. Respected here. Respect here, respect here. Broke the trend line, but let's say we were just looking at this structure right here. It would have been a downtrend trend line based on the current structure. If the price action had started here and this was the live price. Alright, so that is how you draw trend lines. And I'll make a more in-depth video for just higher level trend line analysis. But that's just super basic trend line drawing.